Okay, so the next topic for this chapter is set. What is it? It is a collection of well-defined objects that contains no duplicates. Again, it is a collection objects. So for example, mga applied examples ay sa palengke, di ba? O kaya ay sa mga beauty products. Yan. Yung mga applied examples. That contains no duplicates. Well, let's see. Dito tayo sa examples ng mga mathematical sets. Okay. Yan yung braces na tinatawag. Okay. Yung objects inside set is tinatawag natin na elements. For example, we have orange, apple, grapes as yung objects natin sa ating set. Therefore, ang elements natin is tatlo. Yun yung orange, apple, at saka grapes. A is an element of A, B. Yan, ganun yung pagbasa doon. The axiom of extension says that a set is completely determined by what its elements are, not the order in which they might be listed or the fact that some elements might be listed more than once. Okay, tatandaan niyo yung axiom of extension when it comes to sets. Yan, contains no duplicates. Now let's have example. If C is the set of all countries in Asia, then the Philippines is an element of C. Another one, if O is the set of all integers from 1 to 100, then the number 57 is an element of O. Note, we use capital letters to represent a set. Ayan. So, kung parang sa geometry, ang capital letters is nagre-represent sa angle at ang small letters is sa sides. Dito naman, sa set, ang capital letters is nagre-represent doon sa name of set. Okay. The books in the shelves in the library. Yan. Yung mga another examples ng set. Applied example of set. The bank accounts in a bank. The set of natural numbers. When we say natural numbers, siyempre, it starts with 1 and so on. Infinite yan. Next, the set of integers z yan. Kalimitan kasi when it comes to set, na kapag nag-set builder notation tayo, ang ginagamit lang is variables. So, for n, that is natural numbers, and z is integers. So, when we say integers, that is the negative, 0, and the positive. The rational numbers Q is the set of quotients of integers. When we say quotient of integers, that talks about fractions, wherein Q is not 0. Ayan, kasi pag 0 na yung Q or the denominator, the answer will be undefined. Sets can be finite, infinite, empty. Yan. Kasi baka yung magsabi na how come na tinawag siyang set kung empty naman yung element. That is still considered as a set. Singleton. Okay, when we say finite sets, a finite set contains elements that can be counted and terminates at certain natural number. Ibig sabihin, may limitation yung elements na bibilang yung number of elements ng set. Examples, the book in the shelves in the library. Okay, marami siya pero that is still countable. The bank accounts in a bank. Okay. Okay, ito. S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 listing method. That is, meron tayong 5 elements. 5 natural numbers. When we say infinite set, it is a set that contains never-ending elements. The elements cannot be counted and does not terminate at certain natural number. Examples, the set of natural numbers. Yan, when we say set of natural numbers, like what I've said a while ago, that is infinite kapag doon lang yung given. Kasi nga, wala namang katapusan ang ating counting numbers. The set of integers, that is also infinite. Okay? Yan. Kaya, yan, meron tayong ellipses because that is a symbol for infinity. Yan, ellipses ang tawag dyan. Parang kung sa ano, and so on. Ayan. What is the difference between yan and ito? Okay. Tingin ninyo. Based doon sa binigay na unang sets. So, the first one is finite set. Kasi nga, that is the first 100 counting numbers, while the other one is the set of all natural numbers. Kaya tinawag siyang infinite set. Okay. An empty set is a set that contains no element. This is also called as null set. Yan. Yan ang symbol niya. O kaya yan. Examples, the set of whole numbers less than 0. Okay? Yan. Set A is equal to X such that X is between 2 and 3 and X is a natural number. So, wala. Kasi wala namang number between 2 and 3 na natural number. Okay? A singleton is a set of containing exactly one element from the word itself, single. Examples, X such that X is an even prime number. Okay? Ang isa lang naman ang even prime number, that is 2. C is equal to X such that X is neither prime nor composite. Still yun pa din. Okay, specifications of sets. We have the roster method and the set builder notation. When we say roster method, that is the listing of all elements. That is the listing method. Yan yung examples niyan. Okay. Ayan, listing more than once does not change the set. Yang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 na yan is equal pa rin siya sa 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yan, dalawang elements na ulit, there is binibilang pa rin siya as one element. Okay, ellipses may be used. Yan, lalo na kung masyadong marami, pero may end naman. Okay, you may write the first 3, then use ellipses, and then the last element. When you say roster method again, I said more examples. Set of all vowel in English alphabet. Okay, set of all positive integers less than 10. Yan ay finite set. Using roster method. Set of all integers less than 0. Ayan. So, pag set of all integers less than 0, that is infinite set na. Okay, set builder notation is stating a property of elements of the set. Usually, ito yung makikita sa exam, the set builder notation. Yan, P is equal to X such that X is an even prime number. Ayan. Set O is equal to X such that X is an odd positive integer less than 10. Ayan. So, set builder notation. Yan, ano ba yung element nun? X is an odd positive integer less than 10. Okay, so that is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay. Set Q, X is an element of R such that X is equal to P over Q for some positive integer PQ. Yan, try nyo sagutan yan. What are the elements of that set? Ano? Basta gumamit siya ng set builder notation. Specification of sets. Ayan. Word description. W is the set of all days of the week. Roster method. Yan yung listing method. Set builder notation. Yan. So, ito yung dapat tandaan ng mga variables na ginagamit sa set builder notation. Tatandaan nyo yan. So, meron tayong C dyan, set of all complex numbers. Yan. Relations between sets. Ayan, subset. If A and B are sets, then A is called subset of B. Written, yan yung symbol. If and only if every element of A is also an element of B. Okay? Ibig sabihin, ayan na, doon, symbolically, A is a subset of B means that for all elements X, if X is an element of A, then X is an element of B. The phrases A is contained in B and B contains A are alternative ways of saying that A is a subset of B. Yan. Samples. If A is equal to yan, yung ating elements, the first 6 counting numbers, tapos yung B natin is 1, 2, 3, then B is a subset of A kasi yung elements ng ating B is matatagpuan siya dun sa ating pinakang basis na set natin, yung A. Yung 1, 2, 3 is makikita sa set A. Yan. 6, 7 is a subset of 7, 9, 6. Yan. So, marami tayong pwedeng mabuo na subset doon sa from original set natin. Null set is also a subset ng isang particular set. Ano? Okay, using Venn diagram. So, ang gagawin natin is sulat lang lahat ng elements noong ating basis na set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then, yan. Is B a subset of A? No. Kasi, mas malaki si B compare kay A. Therefore, A is subset of B. How about 2 and 8? Is C a subset of B? No. Kasi, yung 8 naman, hindi naman siya member ng B. Okay. Distinction between yan at saka yung isa na symbol na yan. Element and subset. Which of the following are true statements? Yung A is true. True ba yun? Yung B, C, D, E, and F. So, basta pag yung sa first symbol natin na yung parang E, that is element. Tapos yung sa isa is subset. Yan. So, for A, that is true. For B, that is false. C, that is false, D is true, E is false, and F is true. So proper and improper subsets. A proper subset of if and only if every element of A is in B, but there is at least one element of B that is not in A. Okay? Example. If B is 3, 5, 7, what are the proper subsets of B? Yan. So, ayan. Kung meron tayong nahati yung subset sa dalawa, proper at saka improper. So, meron tayong null set, element 3, tas yung 5, 7, 3, 5, 5, 7, pwede pa yung 3, 7. Ayan. How about the improper subset? Yan, yung kabuuan. Again, yung proper subset, lahat ng pwede nating hati-hatiin yung elements noong original set basta hindi siya yung kumpletong set. Pero yung improper subset, kinopya natin yung buong given set. Okay, using the diagram once again. Is B a proper subset of A? No. Is A subset ng B? Yes. Is B subset ng B? B is an improper subset of B. Yan. Two sets are equal if they contain exactly the same elements. Yan. Examples. Ito kaya. Yan. 2, 3A, 2A, 3. Yan. Is A is equal to B? Yes. Kasi hindi naman mahalaga yung arrangement. Is A is equal to C? Yes. Kasi yung nagdoble-doble na yon, isa lang ang bilang doon. Yung 2, 2, 1 lang yon. 8, 8, isa lang din yon. Is B is equal to C? Yes din yan. Is A is equal to D? No. Kasi compare nyo yung kanilang elements. Alam nyo na agad, malalaman nyo agad yung difference between the given sets. Okay, equivalent sets ulit. Yan. Ayan. Okay. Equivalent sets. Two sets are equivalent if they contain the same number of elements. Ayan. Is A equivalent to B? Is A equivalent to C? Is B equivalent to C? Yes, C. And is A equivalent to D? Yan. Okay. Universal sets. A set that contains all the elements considered in a particular situation and is denoted by U is called the universal set. The set containing the digits, yan. The set containing the whole numbers. Okay. So, yan. Yan ulit yung sa example natin kanina. Yan. Ganyan kasi yung pag solve ng sets, gumagamit lang tayo ng Venn diagram at saka yan. So, yung nasa kabuuan, that is the universal set. Disjoint sets. Two sets are said to be disjoint if they do not have any element in common. Okay. Examples. A and C are disjoints. Kasi wala silang element in common. The sets of even numbers and the set of odd numbers are disjoint sets, of course. Kasi iba naman ang makikita nyo numbers sa even at saka iba makikita nyo sa odd. Hindi talaga magtatagpo yung dalawa. Okay. How about the cardinality of the set? Yan yung bilang lang ng elements. Yan yung pinakasimpleng definition ng cardinality. Yan. For example, A. So, tatlo. Sa U, 10. Sa C, may 4. Sa D, meron tayong 3 lang. Kahit pa 3 beses sinunod yung C, bilang lang doon ay 1. Power set. It is the family of all subsets of A denoted by power A. Yan. Ayan. Okay, examples. Given A is equal to X, Y, what is power A? Yan ang set. A power set. So, that is, yan. Kasi yun yung mga subsets ng ating given set. So, pag sinabi kasi natin power set, it is the family of all subsets. Ayan. So, inisa-isa lang natin lahat ng subsets. Ayan. Operation on sets. Yan, kalimitan ito yung makikita nyo sa mga examinations. Union at saka intersection. Complementation, Cartesian product. Yan. Kapag union is pagsasamahin lang natin yung lahat ng elements noong dalawang sets. Yan. Yan. Examples, yan, 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 2, 4. Yan. Kapag may magkapareho sila, isulat nyo na siya na isang beses. Tapos, kopyahin nyo na yung lahat ng numbers. Ano? Yan, meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Yun. Yun ang magiging union ng dalawang sets. Yan. Union ng 8. Yan. So, that will be 1, 3, 5, 7, 8. Yung set A, dadagdagan natin ng isang set which is 8. So, that is 1, 3, 5, 7, 8. Okay? Yan. Ito naman yung intersection. Kung ano lang yung magkapareho na elements. Yan, ganyan yan kapag sa Venn diagram. Okay, bawa yun pa rin. So, ang kanilang element lang na magkapareho ay 1. So, halimbawa naman dito, set A, intersection niya dun sa singleton na set 8 is, of course, wala. So, the answer will be empty set or null set. So, how about the complementation? It is an operation on set A that must be performed in reference to universal set. Okay, denoted by yan. Okay? So, yung ating universal set na U tapos yung sa A na may pasipis taas, that is complementation related doon sa universal set. Okay, examples, ating universal set ay A, B, C, D, and E. And A is C, D, E. So, yung complementation, parang ima-minus lang yon. Ima-minus mo lang yung set A doon sa universal set. So, tagtagtag natin si C, D, E. Ang matitira ay si A, B. So, yun yung complementation. Ima-minus mo lang yung given set doon sa universal set. At yun yung complementation. Cartesian product, yan yung ginawa natin doon sa kanina, doon sa una. Nagawa na natin yan doon sa unang part. Okay. So, example, Ang ating set A is 1, 2, 3, and B is UB. So, yung sa set A, doon tayo kukuha ng domain, at sa set B is yung range. Ayan. So, since A times B, mauna tayo si A. So, that will be, ayan, 1U, 2U, 3U, 1B, 2B, 3B. Okay, ipapartner nyo lang yung A doon sa B. Yan, 6 elements. Doon naman sa B times A, unahin natin si B. That will be U1, U2, U3, V1, V2, V3. Yan. 6 elements din. Doon naman sa B times B, so focus na tayo sa B. That will be UU, UB, VU, and VV. So, meron tayong 4 elements. So, that is the end of discussion for the chapter 2. So, ang ating maging sunod naman is the problem solving. Yan. Yun na yung second chapter. So, hope you learned. God bless.